In this video, I'm very excited to share with you guys this brand new set and forget strategy that will generate you $60 per day. We're not going to be selling anything and we're going to be using completely free traffic, meaning we're not spending any money on paid ads. Also, if you watch until the end of this video, I'm going to show you another hack that you can use to essentially make an extra $30 to $40 per day with this, making you a total of about $100 per day online without spending any money. This will take about 20 minutes to set up, as I'm going to show you each step-by-step setup in this video. After this, you can set this up to how you like and you can start generating money online. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up to see when you guys leave likes and positive comments, as I'm very passionate in bringing out videos on a daily basis to educate you guys and help you out in making money online and hopefully giving you some motivation as well. So make sure to subscribe down below to this channel if you're new. And without further ado, also comment down below anything that you'd like. You're welcome to ask questions, anything that you want to know about making money online. I'll reply to each and every comment. I heart every comment and you will get an answer from me. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want to send me a DM and if you want some personal help from me. Before I get into this, I just want to show you a couple of people earning from this. Now, most of these ways pay via PayPal, Payeer, Skrill, and direct to bank as well. So this is a strategy that kind of adds up like over time. So it will be $5 payments, then a $1 payment, then an $8.60 payment, and then a $4.15. But on average, I averaged it out to about $60 per day that you can actually earn from this. So this is just some people around the world doing what I'm teaching you in this video, making money from this. Most of the people get paid via PayPal, as well, it's one of the biggest ways to get paid online in the world, and then Payeer, and this looks like perfect money as well. I think there's also Amazon gift cards, also Skrill, and direct to bank as well. So just to refresh to show you that this is live earnings of people, here's the refresh button over here, earning from this, and so far the payment count is over $243,000. And this place has paid over 39,390 payments. So this website is constantly paying every single day to people all over the world for doing this. And it's really quite an easy step-by-step process. The first step is you want to come over to Google and you want to search free PLR ebooks. You want to just go find free ebooks, free content online that you can use to either sell or give away. So over here, if I come over to free PLR downloads, In Digital Networks, and idplr.com are three websites we can use to go and find free ebooks. So for example, these are the three websites over here. You can see these are tons of ebooks in the different niches. All these text over here, the biggest text is currently the most popular niche. So you can see affiliate marketing, business and internet marketing, and also self-help are three of the biggest categories on this website right now. So we can go over to internet marketing, for example. It's obviously trending, so we're going to make use of that trend. Over here, you can see, for example, 100 SEO tips, multimedia mastery ebook, which is obviously an ebook that teaches you how to master social media, grow an audience, monetize that, and build a business online. So let's take this ebook, for example. I'm just going to close this. That's just an ad. Over here, if you click on this page, you will see you can download this file for just 1 meg. It's only 1 meg. You can download this for free. You're allowed to resell it. You're allowed to give it away to get traffic into your funnel. Whatever you'd like, you can use this ebook to your own use because you've been given the license to do so. And if you scroll down the page, you can see that you can download this ebook over here. But there's a big blue button and it will download to my PC like this. So if you want to get more ebooks, also come over to IDPLR. You can hover over the products. You can range from ebooks to software to videos to templates to graphics to anything that you can think of you can use for this and make money with. So now that I've downloaded this to my PC, I'm just going to show this in my folder. So now that I've downloaded this to my PC, I'm just going to show you this in my folder here. This is what the zip will look like. You can just right click on extract here or extract this to your PC. Over here, you can see if I click on the e-cover, the multimedia mastery over here, this is your ebook that you can go and read. It's tons of information and knowledge, free knowledge online that you can go and resell or do whatever you like with. So for now, we're going to keep this on this page over here. The next step from here is we want to upload this to an online PDF editor where we can edit this ebook and add extra information or our own text to it. So we can use this website over here called sejda.com. It's SEJDA.com. Come over to this website, click on edit PDF documents over here. It's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. Click on upload PDF file. Over here, you can select your PDF, click on open, and all you want to do is, if I just zoom out a little bit, you can use control and the wheel on your mouse. You want to go text over here, or I think it's links, sorry, links over here. and you want to put a link over here on the top of each and every page. And each URL, what you want to do is you want to come over to, for example, clickbank.com, and you want to find a make money online affiliate product so that people can purchase through your ebook. So there's actually going to be two ways that we're going to make money from this. I'm just going to refresh this again. Once you're on your dashboard, you can see a whole bunch of different categories of different affiliate products that you can go and promote. So just come over to e-business and e-marketing, because this category matches our ebook that we've downloaded, which is all about social media, which is e-business. So over here we can use, for example, this product over here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This fits our ebook perfectly, since our ebook is all about building a business on social media, and this product teaches you how to get paid to use Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So you want to come back to your ebook editor over here and just paste your affiliate link over here. Click on enter, and that will now be done. And all you want to do is you just want to add text over this link area, and you just want to type get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you want to go and copy this text and link to each and every page of this ebook. Once you're done, you just click on apply changes over here. You'll see there's a big green button at the bottom of this page. It will take a couple of seconds to download. All you want to do is you just want to download this back to your PC. So this is now the edited ebook. You'll see over here, if I open it up and actually click on this link, it will take me through my affiliate link directly to this page where you can get paid to use Facebook and social media. So over here you can see this is the landing page. People can then apply for jobs over here to get paid to use social media. And every time you sell this product on ClickBank, you're going to get a commission of $32.30, which is the extra bonus on how you're going to make money with this. There's still the way that I'm going to teach you on how you're going to make $60 a day for free, literally sharing this free ebook. The next step is, once this edited ebook is downloaded to your PC, you want to come over to the following website over here. This website over here is called UII.io, which is a website that will pay you to share links. And just to show you more or less what the payout rates is, it's not like hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but the internet just seems to be a bit slow. I'm not sure why. Just waiting for this page to load over here. And this website pays out per 1,000 views that you get on this link. So in the United States, you'll get paid $6 per 1,000 views. It ranges from anywhere between $1 and $6 per 1,000 views. Now I know this may not seem like a lot, but I want to show you these new two social media platforms that will actually pay you a lot more than this, because you will be getting probably about 5,000 views to 10,000 views per post that you make on these websites, giving away this free book every single day. So that's anywhere between $30 and $60 a day, literally sharing through this website. There's another platform over here called uploadforever.com. So just to show you how much you'll get paid on this website, you get paid up to $7 for just a 10 meg download. So this website pays a lot more. I suggest use this website over here because they're paying a lot more than UII.io. And you can use either all of these websites. I'm going to use UII.io. So all you're going to do is you're just going to click on sign up for free on the top right of this website over here. Enter your name, email, and your password. Once you're already signed up, you can just sign in with your accounts. I already have an account. I'm just going to sign in with an account that I created this morning to show you for the purpose of this video. So I'm just waiting for this to sign in. And over here on the left, you just want to click on the big new short link URL. Over here, you just want to come back to Google Drive over here. Copy again this Google shareable link to your ebook that's now been edited with your ClickBank affiliate link in there as well. And you can paste this here and click on shorten. Over here is now your new shortened URL. So just to show you, every time I click on this, it will take me to this website over here where you literally just have to accept the captcha over here, click on here to continue, and it will then take them to the Google Drive link over here. And you will see, if I come back to my dashboard over here, let me just come back to statistics, you will see I got one click and got like 0.25 cents. Now that's just off one view, but when it gets to the thousands of people, like I'm going to show you how you can get, you'll see here's my click that registered over here. You can get up to $30 to $60 a day with this new website that I'm going to show you. So the next website that you want to come over to is called gab.com, gab.com. Now this is a new social media platform where people literally post posts giving away free videos, free ebooks. Like this guy already in just 7 hours got over 3,000 likes. It's basically like a newer form of TikTok or Facebook that is really starting to go viral right now. And it's very easy to get a lot of traffic because there's a lot of new people joining this platform very fast. Let me actually show you. If I come over to a website called SimilarWeb, Gab.com, which is a place where you can actually go and background check websites to see how much traffic that they're getting. So over here, if I copy Gab.com, this is the URL, and you want to go paste analyze website over here. Let me just zoom out a bit, paste the Gab.com over here, select it in the drop down, and you can see right now this website is getting 21 million views every single month. Last month they got 21 million. In January this year, they got over 50 million views. Now, if you can just get a piece of this, even 1,000, 2,000 views, 3,000 views a day by just posting and giving away an ebook every single day and reposting this on Gab.com, like you saw, you can earn anywhere between $30 and $60 and extra if anybody purchases the ClickBank product in that ebook. So it's really a great place to go viral. Another place to go and post as well is called SlideShare.net, which is a great place to go and post your ebooks to get some views as well. So just to show you some people on this website, I'm just waiting for this to load over here. Some people are getting as much as 3 million views. 1 million views is 600,000 views. So if you're getting paid $6 per 1,000 views, let's take 1.1 million views. So 1.1 million views, this is 110,000, 1.1 million views. Divide this by 1,000 and multiply this by 6. That is $6,600 that you can earn off clicks on 1 million views on this website. So you can see how over time you can actually get views if you post consistently. And if you post, for example, a brand new ebook every single day for 30 days, you could now have 30 ebooks paying you through links, through ClickBank sales, and through clicks and views as well, which could generate you close to $200, even $300, and you can scale up to $5,000 per day. So you can see this does require a little bit of effort in the beginning, but over time you can really scale a lot and actually make a lot of money with this. But that's it for today's video, guys, and I quickly made something special for you guys. I made a free 7-minute training on the 6-figure drop servicing university program, which is an entire online university where you can learn how to sell rare high income skills and services without doing that work yourself. For example, people pay you, let's say, $500 to design a website. All you're going to do is you're going to go hire a freelancer for, let's say, $50, and you keep $450 in your pockets. Now, this free training will show you how you can get exclusive access into this entire university program that will teach you how to get tons of these sales every single day. My top store made over $228,000 in 2020 alone doing this. If you want to find out more about this, you can go over to the first link in the description down below to find out more about this free training and what's in this program. Also, over here on the screen above, I will leave a playlist on what I do full-time that makes me about $30,000 a month. It's literally a free playlist or course set over here on YouTube for free. You can click on it over here, and I'll see you over there.